legends, this is Rowan from Optimize Effects. Welcome to the $1,000 challenge. In this video, I'm essentially going to be covering 2 weeks, and I just wanted to start off by saying thank you to everyone that has supported the channel so far. It's coming up to almost a year, I think, that I've had this channel running. I did not think that I'd have 548 subscribers, considering it is, it's a bit of a small niche, I guess. Forex robots. I know thousands of people are interested in Forex robots, so eventually I think we'll get more subs, but that's not the real goal for me here. The real goal is to try and weed out all the crap ones from the good ones and follow me on my journey, trying to become a Forex millionaire using robots and also manual trading. So that is the goal. I know it's a large goal, but hey, what's the point in setting the goalpost too small? Because you only live once, and let's smash it. And thank you to everyone also in the Telegram and the Discord and all the chats. I'm getting so inundated by information from everyone, so much so that I just can't keep up now. And what I might have to do is get another laptop or another desktop computer, because all this testing is just getting absolutely out of hand. I have a desktop computer that's like a workstation slash gaming station that has 12 terminals running on it from Monday to Friday, and I've got this laptop that I'm recording on now that has 12 robots on it that trade Monday to Friday, and also I have one VPS that has about 7 to 8 terminals on it trading Monday to Friday. And it's getting to a point now where there's more robots than I have hardware to test, and I want to test more. I want to test more for you all, and I also want to build more EAs and show you my creations and do all that as well, because I think we're all in this together. We all, well, my goal is to become a millionaire and more, and I want to be able to be financially free, or at least get to the first or second level of financial freedom, and that's not have to worry about money every day and things like that. I want to be able to earn more than I spend, and provide for my family. So that's something I haven't really told you guys before. So there it is. That's the goal. So without further ado, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, click the bell icon, smash the like button on this video if you like the content, and if you'd love to see more, just sub to the channel. And I always have content coming out, usually every week, but I've taken a week off last week because I'm now working 2 jobs and I'm also doing this as well. So that time is quite short, as anyone can imagine doing that. So let's get into what has happened in the last 2 weeks. Now, if you've been in the markets, you would have known that the last 2 weeks have been quite challenging in terms of trading with a robot. And the reason being, there has been more volatility, and there also has been a lot of big trends and big moves as well. So in saying that, I think the robots that we have been testing in the $1,000 challenge, the 12, I think they all handled it quite well, except for maybe 1 or 2, which I'll get to soon. But currently PFX is the highest earning robot so far, but it is trading multiple currencies, so I think that's like an unfair advantage. However, it is currently in quite a lot of drawdown, which it doesn't show here, but if I go actually into it, we're sitting at 53% drawdown right now. And just remember, this account is like $8,000. Now, I started this with $1,000, would you believe it or not? And we'll get rid of that, and we'll just let this load. Okay, so here we go. Now the problem here is one currency pair that is doing this. There's one currency pair that is doing this. We are currently, our balance is 9,066, but our equity is 4,828. And the problem lies in one pair, and I have tried to get it out of the crap with this pair, but my efforts have not succeeded. And the currency pair in question is pound, euro pound. My bad, euro pound. And essentially, euro pound is just on a downward trajectory. And I've tried to help the robot many times to try and get it out of this downward trajectory, but it is a very strong downtrend, and it just can't get out of it. So I'll show you the chart anyway. These are all the open trades. There's 40 open trades on euro pound. Oh, not just euro pound, but a lot. Euro, the USD pairs have also had a big trending action in the last week as well. So it's in a bit of crap. I do say it's in a bit of crap. Would I trade euro pound again on PFX? No. Too volatile for this robot. But we'll get to that soon. So let's have a look at other ones. We'll just quickly go through my FX book. I'll show you these stats if you want to have a look at all these stats. Just screenshot this and just have a look at it later anyway. BDAC, that is one that I changed from 4 hour to 1 hour, and it was trading 4 hours. I just want to show you the difference, what the difference did with that. And how can I show you the difference is when this finally loads. Okay, so here we have the 4 hour chart, 4 hour, 4 hour, and this is where I changed it. And we can see here that our equity growth became negative and is now all over the place. And now we have 67% drawdown, and it happened. Haha, look at this. It happened on February the 4th. The highest drawdown was 67.23%, which is insane. The last 2 weeks, I've had BDAC on 1 hour instead of 4 hours. And as you can see in the periods before that, hardly any drawdown at all. But since I changed it to 1 hour, it's changed it drastically, absolutely drastically. That's crazy. So, you know, the highest drawdown was 67%, and then we've got like 24, 19, and 30% there. So it made a huge difference. You did make a little bit more money. But is the more money worth the drawdown? No, I don't believe it is. Definitely not with this robot. So I'd probably, if I was going to trade BDAC, it'd be on the 4 hour time frame. Definitely. So it has profited $436 since it started. However, I think the last 2 weeks have been, where the most profits have lied because of the 1 hour time frame. Gold mining EA low. I've now fixed up this, so this is all correct now. Yes, a drawdown of 5.2% and a profit of 233, so that's correct now. Baby Shark is correct, 13.61%, and it's made 2K. Just remember, this is a $10,000 account, and I'm trading it with the lowest possible risk that you can with Baby Shark. So I think that's an excellent result. When did I start this, actually? Baby Shark, where are you? BDAC. Don't know, it's around here somewhere, I think. Anyway. Or we can just go into it and I can have a look. Oh, it's just here. Right, okay. It's just hiding, there's too many lines there. It would be more spread out if PFX or if Stabilizer actually had started later. But so Baby Shark, it's just going to show you that if you manage the risk correctly with Baby Shark, it definitely can be profitable and safe. I think anything under 20% drawdown is definitely good. Basically, I think my max would be 30%. But yeah, 13.61%. It started on December the 21st and is now February the 12th, or the last trading day, which was Friday, February the 12th. And a profit of 2K. So I think that's a really good result. Okay, let's go back to one of the new robots, which is MG Pro. It's trading a few pairs. So far, I like how it's trading. A drawdown of 0.77%. We are trading a 0.01 lot size, and it's been running for 2 weeks now, so $20 in 2 weeks. Off 1,000 is 1.12%, and I think that's a good result so far. I'm not sure if it's worth trying to make it make more money, but it handled that last week really well. It is in a tiny bit of drawdown, not much. FX Core, well, what can I say? It's on 4 hours. It's made $45 and a drawdown of 1.59%. So just going by the books, by the manual, that's a very good result as well. I think this is very similar to BDAC. If you put it down to the 1 hour time frame, you probably would have blown the account by now, because it does get very, very aggressive. So if you trade by the manual, I think you would be going quite well with FX Core. On the 4 hour chart, we've made $45 since it started. Now FX Stabilizer has now done 100% of its account. It is the longest running robot. Has been the safest. It's at 20%. Drawdown is its max, starting at 0.01. I think I might have adjusted it to 0.02. We'll have a look if I can find it. There it is. I just want to see if I did. Yes, so I started it on 0.02 now to see if I can get it to make some more. And we are currently down $43. So Euro USD would want to find. It's interesting that this is showing as 0 for the week. Let's just see if we can fix that. I don't know if that's correct. I don't think it is. 14th, and we take. Let's try that. Okay, 79. Yeah, first, second, fourth. We have some. Oh, really? So it hasn't traded since the 5th? Well, it could be correct. It could have been stuck in this whole move. What are they sells? Oh, okay. 5th of Feb. Okay, yes. Euro USD has been moving up this whole last week, so that is correct. It has not closed any trades this week. So there you go. Hasn't closed any trades this week, so it's just been in drawdown the whole week. But the highest lot size it has hit is 0.08, which is not too bad considering. And the next one is 16, so obviously being Marty, we'll go 2, 4, 8, 16, and then 32. So it'd get up there if Euro USD gets past 16 for sure. Right, and this it didn't start on 0.01 because it was in this one. I changed it just to let you know. So I've just started on 0.02. I think at the start of this last week. Anyway, right. PFX. There's BDAC, so we can see it made $165 this week, but for the month $298. So most of the profits were done in this week. Oh, really? It's pretty good results. Maybe this week and last week. Yeah, that's right. Go back to that. Where are you? Where are you, PFX? Maybe it's the first one. Yeah, no, MG. It's cool. So there's so many robots here. Black. Here we go. Okay, this is the one I wanted to talk about. Right. So we've got PFX being the best performing EA across the currency pairs it is trading. However, in saying that, is stuck. It is stuck really, really bad. And let's go back to H4. Back to H4. Now I just wanted to show you how stuck it is. So this is euro pound. And right now, right now, we might find support here. Right now. But it has been trending down for weeks now. Weeks. It's been going down since, well, don't know when that is, but since pretty much January. The start of Jan. Yeah, about here. Yeah, pretty much the start of January it started moving down. And it has come back up, but nowhere near enough because of how deep it was in the trades. Nowhere near enough for it to get out. And then there's a big gap here, which I'm not sure why, even though I was adding more trades. So I think I've added max trades now to, I just set it at 100. I just said go for it, you know. Take as many trades as you need to get out of the shit. But the thing is, right, it's now buying 0.01. So it's like it started a new cycle and it's forgot about these other trades over here. So this laptop has shut down a few times for updates, and I do shut it down on the weekends. You know, I restart it and close the terminals and turn it back on just to reset the memory for Windows machines anyway. It just seems to perform better if you do that, and I do recommend that you do that on your VPSs as well. Close everything, restart your VPS, and start it fresh every week. That's what I do. But we can see here that Euro Pound is definitely the troublemaker. There might be some others. Yeah, okay, so we've got Euro CAD, which isn't really that bad. That is my FX book, so don't worry about that. That's not a trouble at all. Euro AED is, you know, had a move, and it's out of Euro USD, which it had a big move up as well, but it looks like it must have closed everything on this when it came back down. So, where is it? What did it make this week? Even though it is in it's in a shitload of drawdown, still managed to make $159 this week. So I just don't know what's going to happen with this pair. Would I be happy to be down 4K on a real account? Hell yes. Hell no. I mean, it's really late here. Sorry. Hell no. I would not be happy to be down 4K. Definitely not. But this year it's made $2,000. But since it started, it has made a shitload. So, I don't know. Looking at D1, it's probably hit support here. Looks like it's bounced off here before. It's bounced off this area before, like in March 2020. It might do it again. I don't know. But this is just a demo account, and I'd probably be. I just picked these pairs out of the blue. I don't know why I chose all of these. I just like, yep, these will do. Most of them are Euro pairs, except for, well, they are all Euro pairs. So I think if I was going to run this live, I would definitely be very critical of what currency pairs I'd use. Probably ones with a low ATR, or average true range. You don't want anything too volatile, especially if you're trading the 15-minute. But so we're putting back on 15 minutes, and we'll see how it goes next week. But done quite well. Let's have a look here. Life Changer, $179 it has made since it started, and it is currently down, I think, $149, so it's in a bit of a trouble. And it made $6.49 this week. Simplicity I think I'll get rid of, replace it with another EA because it's just not performing very well at all. I don't know why Drawdown is saying 0.00%, but yeah, $7.89. It hasn't done much. Yeah, I'm not sure with that one. That's this, I think, yeah. So I'm trading at the H1 time frame with these pairs. Don't know really know what else I can do with it to order to make it more profitable. I just not sure with it. So I might come back to it. Ranger I made a mistake with, so you won't see anything with this this week. When I restarted the laptop, for some reason Ranger dislikes to deinitialize itself off the terminal, so the EAs just disappear for some reason, and I only just noticed then when I opened the charter that the EAs were gone. I don't know how long they were gone for, but it didn't do anything this week, and there's no open trades, so maybe the whole week. I'm not sure, but the month it's made $21, so that's good. We have Life Changer, Baby Shark. I made $163 this week. Yeah. We have, what's this? Oh yeah, this is Gold Mining EA Low. So the week made $99, and the month has made $207, so that's pretty good. Parabolic made $11, 23. Well, apparently it's made $26.57, and then $11.23 yesterday, so I'm not sure if that's correct. Oh, it's going from the 9th, 10. Okay, so Monday, Tuesday it must have closed some trades. Right, so Parabolic has been trading really well. It's currently in profit, $1.88 in profit. So it's done a buy, 0.05. A buy at 0.05. Yeah, that's correct. And it takes $5 profits. Okay, so it's got the buy off this bounce here, but I think maybe Euro USD may come down from that. I'm not sure, but we'll see. But it's going well. It's made 428 since it started, and it is the highest drawdown it's ever been. It was 28.9%. Ranger's done nothing, and Ireland. Where is it? Okay, Ireland. Where is it? Wait. Dollar had a bad day, so it made $1.53 this week. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. That's all the news that I have, and yeah, just trying to write down some ideas for some new robots I'm going to be creating, and yeah, and testing, and yeah, got some new ones to test out, and that is pretty much all I've got for you guys with this episode of the $1,000 challenge. I'll be doing some other videos as well. I'm just going to be writing down some ideas for some videos that I'll be doing for you all, and yeah, let's get into it. But that is it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week or in a video coming later on this week. Thank you very much. This is Ron. Bye bye.